Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you're watching my video right now. In today's video I want to teach you guys how to remove watermark from Zepeto. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Open your Zepeto application. Once you do that, close this page. Wait for your Zepeto app to load. It's a very easy step because this video won't be long at all. This is my character, a very fine lady. Okay, the next thing you have to do right now is to click on your profile here. Once you click on your profile, you click directly to your settings. Okay, you click on your settings. The next thing you will do right here is click on your privacy and contents. Okay, you click on that, then you scroll down. Can you see save content with Zepeto ID? So you don't want that on your video, you turn it off. And that is how to remove watermark on your Zepeto. If you are new to my YouTube channel, like this video, share and comment. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell for you not to miss out on my next content. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit videos like this. I will show you how to edit videos like this. So if you're actually watching this video right now, just make sure you stay tuned so you can able to know how to edit videos like this. If you want to know how to edit video like this, just subscribe right now, turn on your notification bell for you not to miss out on my next content, because I'll be dropping this next. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another hot cake. Bye.